What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix your Fortnite game chat audio when your voice chat is not working or when you are unable to hear teammates on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, open up Fortnite and navigate to your audio settings. Make sure that your main volume is not muted, as well as your voice chat volume slider. In my case, it's set to 67%. Under Sound, reduce the sound quality option to low when using a low-end PC, as audio can otherwise be muted or sound distorted. Set the audio output device to the output device you are usually using when playing Fortnite, such as your headphones or speakers. In the voice chat section, enable the voice chat option. Set the voice chat method to your preferred method, but it's suggested to get used to push to talk. This will transmit your mic input audio when using a designated key. Set the voice chat input device to the mic you are using. The voice channel option will set the default voice channel for matches in which the empty slots are filled with random players. Set this to game to hear all players in the game voice channel, which can also be random players. Or use Party to keep your voice channel to the invited players in your party. Lastly, enable or disable the voice chat notifications. Before taking a look at your Windows sound settings, make sure to set the correct push-to-talk key in your keyboard control settings. Under Communication, you have the option to choose a keyboard or controller button to activate voice chat in your next matches. After verifying your audio settings, make sure to close Fortnite and open up your Windows settings. Under System, navigate to Sound. Make sure that your mic input volume is set to 100%. Click on your mic and here select two channels 48,000 or 44,100 Hz, whichever is available to you. You also have the option to test your microphone to see if your mic works at all on your Windows PC. If you don't have any audio input, then make sure that your device is not faulty. Try plugging it in using a different USB slot. You should in this case also try to troubleshoot common sound problems for input devices. Back in your sound settings, click on Input Devices in your Advanced Sound settings. After a second or two, make sure to select the mic in question, and you can then proceed to let Windows fix the sound input problem. In case nothing helps you out, then scroll down and select More Sound Settings to open up your sound control panel. In the recording section, make sure that your preferred mic is set to the default device and disable all other microphones in this list of devices. Next, right-click the mic you wish to use and navigate to its properties. In the Levels tab, make sure that your mic is not muted. In the Advanced section, allow the two exclusive mode options, which will allow Fortnite to make changes such as increase the mic volume. In the General tab, click on Properties. And lastly, in this panel, make sure that the device's driver is up to date in the Driver section. If the problem persists, then navigate back to your Windows settings. Under Privacy and Security, click on Microphone under App Permissions. Here, let desktop apps access your microphone by enabling this option. As a last resort, make sure to verify the integrity of your Fortnite game files. In your Epic Games Launcher, navigate to your games library. Click on the burger menu for Fortnite and select Verify. This will take a few minutes to re-download and replace any missing or corrupted game files. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.